Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change voices in ChatGPT. So simple means that if I type hello, how are you, for example, and I hit enter, it's going to basically have it right here. And I can basically select a spoken language so that it could play back for me whatever I want. So let me show you how you can change a spoken language. Inside ChatGPT, simply go ahead and click your account on the lower left hand side and go to the settings. Under general, you have voices. You can listen to voices. Let's go ahead and choose one voice here. Let's try Cove and play it. And these are the different voices that you can select from. So once you find a voice that you like, let's say you like Ember, and then you can go ahead and use it. So in this case, I select it. That's all that I have to do. I click off, and that's going to be the voice that I actually use in ChatGPT. Now, if you want to listen to voices, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click three dots to see more option. And here you have Read Aloud. You can go ahead and play it or press it, and it's going to read out all of this for me with that language, with that voice that I've selected. And that's it.